All right, just a quick trade explanation video that I wanted to make. Okay, so like every time we see such type of expansion move, and people will be like, where to get position, and you can just observe things. Like go back to charts and see how like candles behave regarding like these type of like price action. Okay, so you can see like it bounced here. Okay, every time this type of things happen, I always wait to see like how it actually behaving in like after getting a pullback. So it bounced around here, and you know that this is basically the one or demand zone. Okay, so if it is getting bounced and this low is getting protected, I call it as a protected low. Okay, and I always just draw the second like base to see whether price is again getting defended or not. Okay, you can just argue that why did not I long here if I see that okay this is getting defended, because 0.34 is the level that ENA respects a lot. Okay, like you can just go back to chart and see like how it is getting defended. Okay, so you couple of things that you need to understand, that okay, the trade locations and how price behaves in terms of like the area. Okay, in terms of like cluster. Okay, but the trade location is important. Okay, because if price is above 0.34, then it is good. If it is below 0.34, it is bad. That's just simple logic. Okay, but the point is not regarding all this garbage. Okay, it's about like the A plus setup that I always like. Okay, this. Okay, like a lot of people love to trade such a like trend line setup. Okay, and like what they do, they see like candle close here and they just go long and have their stop loss just below this dimension. Okay, and they get stopped out, you can see. But the thing is that if you micromanage such things, you will get obviously stopped out. Okay, so you simply just wait to see such type of like fake out and reclaim, and then you can simply just go long. Okay, and it's basically, it's not just about like reclaim, but it's about repeating the same process. This is basically the thrust candle and protected low, thrust candle, protected low. And I was actually waiting to see whether it will be retested, it will get retested around here or not, but I just took it around here, this cluster, and this type of fake out actually made a lot of like sense. And this is just the one setup that I really love about, like whenever we get such a like fake out and reclaim. Okay, you can just use any like RSI, like RSI 50, all those things. Okay, so this is one setup that I really love, and it varies. Okay, like every coin will behave differently, but you just need a lot of string time to find such type of setup. Okay, second thing, this this actually I took like yesterday, because like I really love like I know like SAP is a really great setup, but like I really love such type of like broken swing point setup. You may ask like what is broken swing points? Okay, basically whenever we get SFP, and people always love to get a like a retest too long, because they see that okay, 3 tap and all those shit, they always wait for like such type of like retest too long, right? So whenever we basically like breaking such type of level, and this is basically the broken swing points price action. Okay, you see like these highs and these lows are basically like trap. Okay, you see always these type of like whenever like price break a certain level, it will create such type of like trap. And you see deviation. Okay, like trap both sides. Okay, so whenever you see such a like price action, you just need to wait for this type of like reclaim. Okay, because you don't need to like trade here, because obviously like even if like this is just a one trap, and this is the second trap, it could trap even more. Okay, what you need is just wait for this reclaim setup, because once it reclaim here, all these people are basically trapped here. Even here all these people are basically trapped here. And after this reclaim, you just need to like find like demand zone or whatever suits your style. Okay, and simply just go long and target probably these highs. Okay, So I love these type of setups where like basically people are getting trapped like below a certain level or trying to force all those trend line. Okay, hope you liked such videos. I will make such videos in future as well. But yeah, have fun. Bye bye. Don't get liquidated.